truck almost hit us, man. That truck almost hit us.
Thank God it do it in reverse. It's just driving backwards.
I got it. Mom just look at the ground. It's like,